Hello everyone, I am Ramakrishna. I have made a Venus rover project. After studying about Venus, I found that the surface of Venus have pits and mountains. So to overcome pits and mountains, I have used an IR sensor. And I found that it's a hot planet, its atmosphere is corrosive. So to overcome this, the rover should be made with tantalum carbide. To prevent heating up of the rover, a fan should be kept inside the rover. I also found that the atmosphere of Venus is mostly carbon dioxide and it has traces of oxygen. So, if it finds there's an increase in carbon dioxide level, then a signal will be sent to Earth. If it finds an increase in oxygen level, then also a signal will be sent to Earth. Here, I will represent the signal with a buzzer. The rover gets energy from the sun with the help of a solar panel. As it needs energy from the sun, the rover should be landed in the poles of Venus, as there is a long duration of days. Now I will show you its demo. Here what happens is, when the rover reaches the Earth, it will turn. Here it turned because there was high pressure in the area. If it finds high oxygen level in an area, then a buzzer will ring. If it finds high amount of carbon dioxide in an area, then also the buzzer will ring. The rover gets energy from solar panel. Now I will explain you the circuit connectivity. VCC of carbon dioxide sensor and oxygen sensor is connected to positive of 5 volt solar panel. GND of carbon dioxide sensor and oxygen sensor is connected to negative of 5 volt solar panel. DO of oxygen sensor is connected to base of first BC547 transistor. DO of carbon dioxide sensor is connected to base of second BC547 transistor. Collector of first BC547 transistor is connected to negative of first buzzer. Collector of second BC547 transistor is connected to negative of second buzzer. Emitter of both BC547 transistor is connected to negative of 5 volt solar panel. Positive of both buzzer is connected to positive of 5 volt solar panel. Now VCC of IR sensor and pressure sensor is connected to positive of 9 volt solar panel. GND of IR sensor and pressure sensor is connected to negative of 9 volt solar panel. DO of IR sensor is connected to third BC547 transistor's base. Output of pressure sensor is connected to fourth BC547 transistor's base. Collector of third BC547 transistor is connected to one port of the first and second motor. The another ports of first and second motor is connected to positive of 9 volt solar panel. Collector of fourth BC547 transistor is connected to one port of third and fourth motor. The another port of third and fourth motor is connected to positive of 9 volt solar panel. Emitter of third and fourth BC547 transistor is connected to negative of 9 volt solar panel. Thank you.